Welcome to camp. I'm in a location I haven't been to for a while because it's winter. Normally where I'm at right now, I'd expect there to be a foot of snow, but it's the year with no snow. So I'm able to be up in the mountains a little bit. There's still patches of snow around, but it's a bad snow year. 2026. No bueno. I was hoping there would be room right here. We're going to try this. If you haven't seen any of my past episodes, this is a 5-volt electric blanket. Runs off of a USB cable from King Camp, and it's programmed, well, not programmable, but it has a timer for the heat and the time. There's 3 heat settings: high, medium, low, and then the timer. I think it can run up to about 6 hours. It's bougie. All right. This is my space. Okay. Home for the night. Over there, off in the distance, is Strawberry Reservoir. A reservoir in central Utah in the mountains. I'm headed that way tomorrow, so this was a good spot to spend the night. Little snow on those north slopes. Still a little snow up on the mountains. All right, tonight's dinner, big old burrito, big old gut bomb. Okay. Red and green. Let's start with red. My favorite is the California burrito. Potato and steak. Love it. Fire feels good. All right. You don't want to sit there and watch me eat, so we'll be back to you later. All right. Dinner's done. Cleanup's easy because I just bought a burrito. Love the fire pit. Love the hammock. I think this tarp is going to work out pretty good. I'm excited to use it a few times and just really get a feel for it. Sun is setting. It's getting dark. There's a cool to cold breeze coming off of those peaks where there's still snow, so it's a little chilly. Glad to have the fire, a little protection here. And there's a noticeable difference in temperature just stepping in here. This is helping to hold in the heat. Gonna just relax here at the fire for a little bit. Climb into bed in a little while. Well, it's a beautiful night. It's getting dark. "8:30. I'm gonna climb in my bag. Enjoy a little quiet night. We may get some rain. I don't think it's in the forecast, but it's cloudy, so we'll see what happens. I really am liking the setup. The campfire is perfect, nice and warm. My Haven tent ready to climb in. The Slumberjack tarp, Roadhouse tarp. I think it's going to perform very well. I am a little curious. I think I'm going to work on getting something to put right there because I don't want that rubbing on the paint. Let me give a little more light. You can see what I'm talking. It's just right on there. So I think I want to add something to this kit that I can put in there to protect the paint. But I like it. I like the design. I think it's going to work well. Okay. That's it for tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Well, I'm in for the night. It's been a good day. It's about 9:30. I'm tired. So, we'll see you in the morning. It's dark 30. It's about 6:30. And I'm awake. So I'm going to go ahead and get up. I've got to head east and pick up our travel trailer from its winter storage location and take it home today. So it's the plan. So I'm going to go ahead and hop up. Let's just check. I'm curious. So I got down to 36 degrees. It's a few degrees warmer here in the hammock right now. I slept very comfortably last night. It was nice and warm in here. So, all right. Well, it's been
good. I'm going to take a few minutes, get this put away. We'll go pick up the trailer and then head back home.
If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell to receive notifications for future content. That's all, folks. See you on our next adventure.